Welcome back to the Car Care Nut. Rick here. Down here fixing to wash this car, and I have people ask me, or discussions I have about contact wash versus a non-contact wash. And I tell people, no matter what kind of soap you buy, no matter what kind of special soap, whether what company, no matter what company you buy it from, or how aggressive it is, or whatever, how special it is, made for dirty cars or whatever. Eventually, no matter what you do, you're going to have to make contact with the paint. You're going to have to do what they call a contact wash. Now, this is a prime example of a car that has been taken through a non-contact car wash, which I'm not a big believer in taking it through the car wash anyway. But at least the operator, or owner, or whatever the car has enough respect for the paint, respect for the car, not to take it through the machine type car washes. So, but you can see, if you look real close in the paint, you can see all these spots. And it's not so much the spots, it's the dirt around the spots. This is from road grime, build up, oil, antifreeze, just road film and stuff that builds up on the car, on the paint, on the surface over time. And it's all over the entire car. This is just the hood here. Now, of course, I have cleaned this section of the car, and I've wiped it off just to kind of show the difference. I guess the point of demarcation, I guess you could say, between the two. Clean paint. Now, this paint hasn't been clayed or anything like that. It's just been wiped off, wiped clean. But I just wanted to make a quick video just to demonstrate what your paint would look like, or could look like, or would look like, if you don't go hands-on. So if you think you're going to go out here and buy these special car wash, the super special car wash, and you're never going to have to touch your paint because touching your paint is quote-unquote bad to do, then this is what your paint's going to look like. Even if you get a power washer out here and spray it off, this is what it's going to look like over time. Yeah, the power washer or the spray car wash may take some of this off, but it's going to build up over time. And you don't want your paint to look like this. You don't want all these contaminants just sitting on the clear coat, just sitting on the paint. You want it to stay clean. So take it for what it's worth. And there you go. Let me see if I can zoom in here. There you go. I think that's showing up pretty good. It's hard to tell. It's a dreary day out. That's the kind of stuff that sits on your paint. That's why you go hands-on. That's why you have to touch. You have to go hands-on. The main thing with going hands-on with your paint is to make sure you get as much of the sand and the grime, the actual physical dirt, off the paint before you go after this. Then you go hands-on against with stuff like this. It's embedded. It's starting to embed into your paint. You get rid of it. But once you get to this layer here, you should be able to do your contact wash. Just wanted to do a quick video on that since I'm out here doing it. And thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Leave you some comments in the bottom. Give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.